Trinity Readings, and we are going to do the Virgo Weekly Tarotscope. This will be for July 16th through the 22nd. So we are going to get oracle cards and see what the overall energy for the week will be for you, and then we'll get into your tarot. Wow. Okay. I want to say the overall energy for you for the week is to take a moment and look at what is holding you back from where you want. You do have attachment as the overall energy. This is kind of being stuck to something. It's kind of like the Devil card. It's that codependent energy. It's also the energy of just being fearful. It's the energy of just feeling stuck, you know. And then you have the garden at the gate, and you have the financial constraints. So this is telling you that you have this beautiful opportunity, like right in front of you. It's abundance. It's, you know, whatever it is that you're wanting to manifest. I think you know exactly what it is. You're looking right at it. But the financial constraints is feeling like you don't. Is feeling insecure about it, or feeling like it's not available to you, or feeling like you can't have it. You also have the strategy card, which is about making a plan. So to me, this is saying really take a look at if you are feeling blocked from something that you're wanting to manifest. I think you have more. You might be telling yourself that there's nothing you can do to obtain this, but I think you have more ability to go after this than you realize. Yeah, it's kind of like, you know, look at how you are limiting yourself. It's possible that it's possible that you're wanting to leave something behind. It's possible that you're wanting to leave behind a connection that you've been in for a long time. It's possible that, you know, even maybe you've been married for a long time and you're wanting to move on, but you don't feel that you have the resources to do it. Just overall, you could be wanting to leave something behind, but you just really feel, you know, you're still feeling connected to this somehow. You're still, you know, you feel like you can't take that step forward. But the strategy card is reminding you that you do have everything you need to make this break or go after what you want. You just need to take time to really look into it. This could also be saying that what is holding you back is your thought process, is that you're overthinking and not just taking that leap of faith. You know, this is kind of looking out and seeing everything that could go wrong instead of just trusting and just taking that leap of faith. Yeah, we're just going to get into the tarot and see what we can see with this. Okay, so we're going to look at what your energy coming into the week is. Sorry. Wow. You have the Hierophant and the Empress card, which is really good energy. It's the energy of doing the right thing. It's the energy of being enlightened. The Empress card is that energy of unconditional love. It's that motherly love. It's the nurturing love. It's supportive. But then you have the Ten of Wands. You could be feeling like you're having to take care of somebody and it's becoming overwhelming to you. You could be in a relationship that you feel burdened by. Let's see. I do kind of feel that to some extent there is a desire to take care of yourself, to put yourself first. You're feeling responsible to something else. I feel for some of you have this really strong it's like you have this connection to somebody from your past, or it's a soulmate connection, it's a twin flame connection. It's a really strong connection. But there's something about like it's hidden, or you don't feel like you have access to this. Yeah, it's like you have this really beautiful connection. Either that, or you have this really, this really big dream for yourself, this desire to do something for yourself. You're feeling blocked from it. And honestly, if we're being honest if this is a relationship to another person, I feel that to some extent you feel prevented from putting in the effort. It's like one person in this connection has like a lot of responsibilities, or, some kind of tie to something that they can't, they're overwhelmed and they can't put in the effort. Give me one more. What your energy coming into the week is. Yeah, you're wanting to make some move, but there's something that you're feeling stuck to with the Fox and the Ship card. you're looking back, like you're looking back. There's something that you don't trust. It's not what you're wanting to move towards. It's possible that you and this person, that it's just that one person is just very guarded in this. One person is really like, you know, they're at this level and they're really not letting it go any further, or they're not opening up to you. And if that's the case, I feel that this person just is dealing with a lot of obstacles within themselves or within their own life. Let's see what else we get. What's coming towards you this week? You have the Six of Wands, which is the card of success, which is overcoming obstacles. You have the Queen of Wands, and you have the Two of Swords. I do not understand this. What are y'all doing to me? You have two cards of success with the Six of Wands and the Sun card. This is success. This is enlightenment. This is being in this beautiful energy. You have the Temperance card, which is the cards of everything coming together, which is the card of patience. You do have the Queen of Wands, which is this passion, desire, this new spark, this new idea. You have the Chariot, which is forward movement. You have the Lover's card, which is that soulmate connection. This is moving, you know, if this is a connection to somebody that you feel blocked from in some way, this connection is moving forward. It is moving forward. There's something really good happening within this connection this week. But it's almost like you're not seeing it. With the Two of Swords and the Nine of Swords and the Four of Swords, it could be that there's no communication between the two of you. It could be that you're just trying to trust in the process. There's movement. There's something really big happening in this connection. It could be that this person is making some sort of plans that you just don't see. Give me one more. There is something going on. It's almost like there's something going on behind the scenes. Or it's that you're not able to see it because you're in this place of fear. And there is something about this connection being like hidden. It could be that, it could be that for some reason this connection has to be it's like maybe you and this person are coming together and making plans to move this forward, but it's almost like you can't let other people know. Let's see what else we get. Tell me more, please. You have 9 of Cups, which is wish fulfillment. You have the Star card, which is wish fulfillment. And you have the 5 of Wands. What the hell? And Judgment and 8 of Wands. It's coming. The 9 of Cups, the Star card, and the Judgment. This is everything coming out. This is surrendering to the process. There's some kind of conflict, though. What is the 5 of... What is the conflict? There's 100% something going on behind the scenes that you're not seeing. It's either that there's an opportunity for you to move forward into this. But you are in this place of seeing you're just not seeing the opportunity because of what you're choosing to focus on, because you're focusing on the lack, focusing on what could go wrong. For some of you, I do feel that this does involve you needing to open up to something, to communicate something, to leave something behind. But if you genuinely have no options in this, if you genuinely are completely limited into the steps that you can take, then I do want to say that there's something really big going on behind the scenes. So it could be that this person is making plans to come towards you, and because you don't see anything happening, you're not seeing it come together. Because you do have the 8 of Wands as your overall energy. This is very fast movement forward. This is incoming, really positive communication. It's good news coming in. Somebody is like in a place of sadness or regret or being disappointed with the way things are. And that person is seeing conflict, even though this relationship is 100% moving forward. Now, I will say, if this is that you are in some kind of commitment, marriage situation that you are feeling trapped to, that you're wanting to move out of, I feel that what is holding you back is your fear in communicating what you want. There's something, again, there's something about this being hidden. Let me ask this. What is the overall situation? There is a big change that is being made. You're making a big change. So if this is a relationship, you're ready to move it to the commitment level. If you're wanting to leave behind a relationship, like this is saying like this, it's time, basically. It's time to leave behind the past. It's time to take that step forward. Give me one more. What is the situation? It's time. Yeah. And this is the Park card, which is the Public card. Something needs to come out in the open. Give me one more. I don't ever know what to do with this card because it just reminds me of The Exorcist. But that's exactly, something needs to come out. Something needs to come out. And again, if you are in a marriage, this is definitely saying you are ready to leave this behind, and it's a matter of opening up to this and speaking on it. Okay, so what do you need to do about this? I do feel you're getting good news. I do feel that you're getting an opportunity. If this is about a relationship, you do have a really strong connection to this person. If this is you moving towards another relationship, you do have something very solid. If you are holding back communicating something, this is 100% saying you need to communicate to this. If you're waiting on communication from somebody before you take that step, I do think it's coming. I do think that if this is a relationship that you're wanting to move forward, I do feel that there's a lot going on behind the scenes. It could be that this person is worried about opening up to their feelings, or, but there's something that has been hidden. There's something that needs to be opened up to. That's, yeah. There's definitely something that needs to be opened up to. Yeah, it's like there's this opportunity to move forward. But with the Seven of Wands and the Seven of Swords and the Two of Wands and the Eight of Swords, you're... There's something that you need to communicate. There's something you need to open up to. And I feel like you're fearful of that because it's taking you off your comfort zone. Because when you open up to this, that's it. It could go either way on this. Like, it could be that you are needing to open up and express something to somebody, but you know that once you say this, that it's either going to go really, really well or really, really bad. And so you're holding yourself off on taking that chance or opening up to that because you know that that's kind of the end all be all, or that's how you feel. And so with the Eight of Swords, like, you are only seeing the limitations in this. You're not really taking that step maybe that you need to take. And so this is, if there's this change you're wanting to make, there is something that you need to open up to. Because I think you keep putting yourself back into the same situation because you're scared to fully open up that door. Give me one final message on this, please. No, I said one. You've got to take, You have uncertainty as your overall energy, so you are kind of feeling in this stuck place. But I do feel that there's something you're wanting to move towards. There's something you're wanting to obtain. And this is telling you you're the one that's going to have to be the one to take the step forward. And this is saying there's no need to fear. It's, it's saying go ahead and take that step. If this is a relationship that you're wanting with another person, you're going to have to be the one to really open up to this person. Maybe you need to open up to this person about what you want. And I think that this is telling you that this person wants the same thing with this. This is your wish fulfillment. I think that it's saying that you need to open up to this person and express to this person what you want. Okay, I'm going to leave it at that. I hope you guys have an amazing week, and I'm sending you much love. Bye-bye.